Today, we are going to be discussing the real number system. There are subsets within the real number system that we are going to be discussing. We are going to start with natural numbers, also known as counting numbers. Natural numbers include 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it continues on and on and on in a positive direction. Now, I want you to think of a Russian nesting doll. Russian nesting dolls are a set of wooden dolls in decreasing size that go inside of one another. This is very similar to the idea of subsets. Natural numbers are a subset of the set of whole numbers. Think of the natural number cup as the smallest doll that can go into the bigger doll, being our whole number cup. Now this means that all of the elements included in the natural number set are also included in the whole number set. The reason that the whole number set is represented as a bigger doll is because the whole number set also includes 0. So the set of whole numbers includes all of the elements of the natural number set and 0. Now we're going to place our natural number doll, which is inside of our whole number doll, inside of an even bigger doll called the integer doll. Whole numbers are a subset of the set of integers. The set of integers includes all whole numbers and their opposites, or in other words, the negatives of the natural numbers. So now we move on forever in a positive direction and a negative direction. The set of integers is a smaller subset of the set of rational numbers. The set of rational numbers includes all numbers that can be written as a fraction or a ratio of integers. Now keep in mind that a whole number can be rewritten in fraction form by putting it over 1. Mixed numbers can be rewritten in fraction form. Some decimals can be rewritten in fraction form. If a decimal number is repeating or terminating, meaning it ends, then it can be rewritten in fraction form. Therefore, it must be a rational number. Not all decimals are repeating or terminating. This means that they cannot be rewritten as a fraction. Numbers that cannot be rewritten as a fraction are in the irrational number set. The set of irrational numbers include all of the numbers that cannot be rewritten as a ratio of 2 integers. For example, pi. Pi is a number that goes on and on and on forever and does not repeat its pattern. If a decimal is non-repeating and non-terminating, then it cannot be rewritten as a fraction, making it irrational. The set of rational numbers and the set of irrational numbers are a part of the real number system. To summarize what we learned, all natural numbers are a subset of whole numbers. All whole numbers are a subset of integers. All integers are a subset of rational numbers. And together, rational numbers and irrational numbers make up the real number system.